16 horsepower. Range, 350 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Interior, luxurious materials, M-Bucks Hyperscreen, advanced climate control, charging 80% in 35 minutes with fast charging. The EQS 580 offers a sublime balance of performance and luxury, setting a new standard for electric sedans. Ford has electrified its best-selling F-Series with the F-150 Lightning, an electric pickup truck that combines the power of traditional trucks with cutting-edge EV technology. Power, 563 horsepower extended range. Range, 300 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. Towing, capacity, 10,000 pounds. Technology, Pro Power onboard for powering tools and appliances, advanced driver assistance systems. The F-150 Lightning blends the best of both worlds, a powerful, rugged electric truck with all the modern tech you could want. The Audi Q4 e-tron is Audi's compact all-electric SUV, offering a combination of luxury, practicality, and advanced features that make it a strong contender in the EV SUV market. Power, 295 horsepower. Range, 250 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. Interior, spacious premium materials, intuitive infotainment system. Charging, 80% in 35 minutes with fast charging capabilities. Audi's Q4 e-tron delivers a perfect blend of technology, luxury, and performance in a compact, practical SUV. Jaguar's I-Pace remains one of the most stylish and high-performance electric SUVs on the market, offering an exciting driving experience with a luxury touch. Power, 394 horsepower. Range, 260 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. Charging, 80% in about 40 minutes with DC fast charging. Interior